So Bajaj Auto today has faced a sharp 12% drop in its stock price, the largest decline since the COVID market crash that we saw in 2020. And this sharp fall is after Bajaj Auto's earnings for Q2 FY25. And those earnings were in line. What has surprised the market is commentary related to festive demand. But first, let's look at stock performance this year. Amongst all the auto companies, Bajaj Auto has been one of the biggest outperformers. In 2024 so far, the stock is up 55%, far outperforming Nifty's 14% and Nifty Auto's 35% up move. Now, let's answer the question of why the stock has seen a big fall today. Answer to that is weak festive demand and margin pressure. So let's first address festive demand. Bajaj Auto in its interview with CNBC-TV18 has said two-wheeler industry has seen a growth in the range of 1 to 2% in the first half of the festive season. And this is against companies' expectation of 5 to 6% for entire festive season and brokerage's estimate of 8 to 10% growth. Another concern is related to margin. While Bajaj Auto has maintained its margin above 20% for the fourth straight quarter, this margin for second quarter, that is Q2 FY25, is below expectations, and company believes this margin is best in class in the industry and should be viewed in the context of the growing EV portfolio, which now constitutes 20% of domestic revenue. But the concern for market is electric two-wheelers on a standalone basis remains margin dilutive. Third reason of today's fall can be attributed to rich valuations. In the last 2 years, auto stocks in line with market have seen a huge surge in its valuations. Bajaj Auto, for example, is currently trading at 28 times FY26 PE against 5-year average of 20 times. M&M trades at 26 times versus 17 times. Hero MotoCorp at 20 times versus 18 times historical average. Now the key questions are, is this festive demand slowdown only a temporary blip? And will we see a recovery in the second half of the festive season? Market will be tracking it very closely.
The last hour. Anything can happen between the bells. But what happens during the last hour is what matters the most. The biggest market swings. A close-up look at what's driving them and how the investors are reacting. Watch the most seasoned market mavens guide you through the most important hour of the trading day. NSE Closing Bell. At these times, only on CNBC-TV18 and CNBC-TV18.com.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.